she got me. Oh, what the fuck, bro? Man, stop. My chest, bro, that shit hurt. That shit hurt. Bro, that shit hurt. Stop. Bro, that shit hurt. Bro, my arm used to be broke. That shit hurt. Bro.
On the 19th of November 2023, a Florida officer conducted a traffic stop on a young woman named Takiria. The reason? The license plate on her vehicle returned to a different car.
I was coming down this way. I'm going the speed limit and they pulled me over. I don't know why I'm getting pulled over.
Ma'am, do you have your driver's license, registration, insurance?
I don't know why she's pulling me over and why I was not speeding.
Ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am, why am I getting pulled over?
Because the license plate on your car comes back to a different vehicle.
Because the license plate on my car comes back to a different... Ma'am, this is a rental. I got it from my mom.
Okay.
My phone is
I still need your license, registration, and insurance.
I don't know the registration. It's not my
Okay,
car.
well, can you take a look, please? Do you have your driver's license with you? Is this your vehicle or whose car is it?
I don't know. It's a friend of my mom's. I just took it to work.
Okay. Do you know what this friend's name is?
No, sorry.
Okay. So how am I supposed to confirm whose car this is so it's not stolen? If you don't know whose car it is, where you got it from. And do you have your driver's license with you?
Follow me home?
No. Where's your driver's license? Ma'am, do you have a driver's license or no?
Yes, I have a driver's license.
Then provide me with your driver's license.
Anything on me. Do you want my name? Takiria.
So you do not have a driver's license on you. Is that what you're saying? Ma'am, whoever you're calling is not important right now.
Yes, it is, because you need stuff that I don't
I need
have.
your driver's license first. I need some sort of ID, something. You said you don't have a driver's license on you, so.
It's my book bag. Do you want it?
I want your license or an ID.
Oh, it's in the book bag. Would you like it to grab it?
Yes, that is what I've been asking you to do. Do you have any driver's license, ID card, nothing like that? Just this?
My license were in there, but I didn't have my check when I work.
Alright, you can have this back. I'm going to take your security license just because it has something I can go with. So you don't... Who do you know whose name?
My mom? I know. The man, I don't know who he is. It's a friend, though. Because
you don't know his name?
No, because she got into a car accident a couple weeks ago and he let her borrow the car.
Okay. So, do you know, where did you pick this up at? You picked this up from your mom's house?
Where? Yeah, my mom, she brought it home.
Okay. So, your mom's using the car that she got from her friend, and since it was at your mom's house, you're using it to go to work?
Yes.
Okay.
She let me use it to go to work.
Okay. Can you give your mom a call and then see if she knows? Your phone isn't dead.
It doesn't have no service, man.
Okay. So who are you just on the phone with then?
That was my mom. It was on this phone, ma'am.
Okay, so can you call her then?
It's dead.
You don't have a charger?
No.
Okay. So, how did you just talk to her then?
The phone went dead.
It went dead just now?
Yes, while I was on the phone with her. It went dead.
Ma'am, could you step out, please? So I figure out what's going on here with this car. Ma'am, could you step out of the car, please?
Am I being under arrest?
No. You're being detained, as everyone is during a traffic stop. And since I can't figure out what's going on, I'm going to step out of the car until I figure out what's going on.
I'm confused. What am I stepping out of the car for?
Because I'm telling you to. Step out of the car now, or I'll make you step out of the car. I'm not going to ask one again. This is your last chance to do it on your own.
I'm confused, but this don't make no sense. I'm stepping out of the car for no reason. So you should have put handcuffs on me.
No, I'm not, unless you refuse to step out.
Like, this shit be aggravating.
Ma'am, you can step over here. Over here. Ma'am, over here.
That way.
This way.
I don't gotta be disrespectful. I'm listening.
I'm calling you ma'am. Ma'am, over here. Over here, please. Can you come over here, please?
I can hear you.
Then why aren't you doing it? I'm asking you nicely. I'm
I
saying,
don't want you to touch me. I don't, because I didn't do anything wrong.
okay. Ma'am, put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back now.
I don't need you over here. She got me. Oh, what the fuck, bro? Man, stop. All right, my chest, bro. My chest, bro. That shit hurt. That shit hurt. Bro, that shit hurt. Stop. Bro, that shit hurt. Bro, my arm used to be broke. That shit hurt. Bro. Bro, come on, you stop. You twisted my wrist. What the fuck? Bro, you're twisting my wrist. Like, what the fuck? No, sir.
Stop moving now. Let's go.
Bro, stop. Why are you trying to take my phone? Why are you trying to take?
Nope.
Bro, oh my God, bro. Y'all finna sue this shit, bro. I'm finna sue y'all, bro. My mama, bro. Bro. Bro, oh my mama, bro. I'm finna sue y'all, bro.
Stop moving now.
No, you're not even being civilized. You're not even being civilized, bro. Bro,
Let go. What's in your pocket?
my phone.
Then let go.
For what? Bro, oh, bro, not one, bro. I swear to God, bro. Okay, can you get on my wrist? It hurts.
Stop.
All right, I'm trying to twist over so you can get the phone. He lay on it.
I have your phone.
Okay, can you get on my wrist? It hurts. Bro, what the fuck, bro? I don't have nothing else in my pocket. You twisting my wrist. Oh, what the fuck, bro? This shit is broken. You ain't twisting my wrist.
Are you going to stand up?
You ain't twisting my wrist.
Are you going to stand up or
I
no?
don't want me to stand up. He's standing on me. And you twisting my wrist.
I'm trying.
Me to the
Ma'am.
fucking ground.
Ma'am, I'm
Sir, can I make a complaint? Can I please? Bro, get the up, bro. My thumb is, I feel a heartbeat in my thumb.
Ma'am.
Get off of
Quiet
me.
down.
Bro.
Stop screaming.
Oh my God.
What is wrong?
Oh my God.
What is wrong?
My finger. Oh my God. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Ma'am, stop.
Stop.
It's twisting my finger. Ow. Ow.
Ma'am, your finger is
Ow.
fine.
It's my wrist.
Sit down.
Ow. Ow. Ow, my wrist. Ow.
Sit.
Ow, my wrist, sir. Can you
Sit.
please
Ma'am,
untie
sit
me?
down.
Sit.
Bro, my wrist, bro.
Sit down.
Sit.
Oh my
Put
God.
your feet in the car.
Bro, my wrist,
Move your
sir.
feet.
I can't feel my wrist. I can't feel my wrist. I'm trying to be civil.
Put your foot in the
I
car.
can't feel my wrist. Can't feel my wrist. Bro, I cannot feel my wrist, bro.
asking.
Can I please get in your car? I don't want to be in his car. I don't feel safe with him.
Ma'am. You're safe. Okay.
No, I don't want to talk to him.
The stop is legally justified. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, a license plate mismatch constitutes reasonable, articulable suspicion, sufficient grounds to detain and investigate. Takiria could not produce a driver's license, registration, or the owner's name. Without those, the officer had no way to confirm the vehicle was not stolen. The investigation was ongoing and lawful. The officer attempted to verify ownership by asking Takiria to call her mother. The phone died before that was possible. At that point, the officer ordered Takiria to exit the vehicle. This is the legal turning point. In Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977, the Supreme Court held that during any lawful traffic stop, an officer may order the driver to exit the vehicle unconditionally. The court extended this ruling to passengers in Maryland versus Wilson, 1997. Refusal to comply is not a protected right. It constitutes resisting an officer under Florida statute section 843.02. Takiria refused the exit order multiple times despite multiple warnings. Under established law, that refusal, regardless of her belief that she did nothing wrong, created grounds for physical enforcement. The officer escalated from verbal commands to soft empty hand control, then to hard empty hand control, a progression consistent with the standard use of force continuum taught in law enforcement training. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, use of force is evaluated by three factors: the severity of the crime, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether she was actively resisting. All three are relevant here. Takiria was not accused of a violent offense. The underlying matter was administrative, a plate mismatch. Under Graham, force must be proportional to the threat and the severity of the offense. That proportionality is the core legal question here. During the restraint, Takiria made repeated, specific, audible injury complaints: chest pain, wrist pain, thumb pain, and loss of sensation in her wrist. These were documented on the body camera in real time. Under departmental policy standards adopted across most jurisdictions, any subject who voices injury during a use of force encounter must receive a medical evaluation. Failure to document and respond to those complaints creates civil liability exposure. A civil rights claim under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 allows individuals to sue state officers for constitutional violations, even where the arrest itself is lawful. Excessive force during the arrest is independently actionable. The subject was charged with resisting without violence under Florida statute 843.02. She received traffic citations and entered a diversion program requiring completion of classes. No civil lawsuit outcome is available at the time of this analysis. The injury complaints documented on camera represent the strongest basis for any potential Section 1983 claim going forward. The officer receives a B-. The initial stop and investigation were legally sound. Exit orders were issued correctly under Mims. Multiple warnings were given before force was applied, a positive indicator of procedural compliance. However, the transition to hard physical control was rapid, given the non-violent nature of the underlying offense. The injury complaints, particularly the loss of wrist sensation, required documented medical follow-up. That response is not visible in this footage. Takiria receives a C+. She did not escalate to violence during the arrest, and she clearly articulated her injury complaints on camera, both legally protective decisions. However, the refusal to exit the vehicle was the single act that converted a resolvable stop into a physical arrest. Her belief that she had done nothing wrong carries no legal weight against a lawful Mims order. Understanding that distinction is the difference between a citation and a use of force encounter. Lesson 1. A license plate mismatch is legally sufficient to stop a vehicle. Drivers are not required to answer questions, but must provide identification when lawfully requested during an investigative stop under Hybel v. Nevada, 2004. Lesson 2. When an officer orders you to exit a vehicle during a traffic stop, that order is lawful under Pennsylvania v. Mims, regardless of whether you believe you have done anything wrong. refusal is a criminal act. Lesson 3. If force is used during your arrest, verbally and clearly state any pain or injury in real time. Body camera audio is evidence. Documented complaints strengthen any future civil rights claim. Lesson 4. Resisting without violence is still a criminal charge. Pulling away, refusing commands, or declining to cooperate physically even without striking an officer meets the legal threshold under Florida law and similar statutes nationwide. Lesson 5. Officers applying force during a low-level administrative stop face proportionality scrutiny under Graham v. Connor. The less serious the underlying offense, the higher the bar for justifying significant physical control. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.